Today, we bring you a list of 10 cool Amazon gadgets that are next level. These gadgets are useful, practical, and just plain cool. Whether you're looking for smart solutions or cool designs, there's something here for everyone. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is what happens when next-level imaging meets pro-level flying. Let's start with that 100-megapixel Hasselblad CMOS sensor. You're getting 6K at 60 frames per second HDR video, plus a 48-megapixel medium telephoto and a 50-megapixel telecam, all built for crisp detail and insane clarity. The new Infinity gimbal is wild. It gives you 70-degree upward shots and full 360-degree rotation, unlocking angles that just weren't possible before. And with a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour and up to 51 minutes of flight time, you've got the power and range to capture whatever you want, wherever you are. Want cinematic slow motion? You've got 4K at 100 frames per second. Want to stay connected? The O4 Plus transmission system gives you a range of up to 30 kilometers with buttery smooth real-time video. It also includes Active Track 360 degrees and omnidirectional obstacle sensing, even in low light thanks to Nightscape mode. And the new RC Pro 2 controller folds up compactly, so you're ready to go at a moment's notice. Whether you're a filmmaker, a content creator, or just someone who loves drones, the Mavic 4 Pro isn't just an upgrade, it's the full package. The Hisense C2 Ultra isn't just a projector, it's a full-on home cinema experience packed into a sleek, modern design. It blends clean angles with smooth curves and gives you full 360-degree horizontal and 135-degree vertical adjustment so you can set it up just how you like it. It automatically corrects the keystone, fits the screen, and even avoids obstacles, all without lifting a finger. You're also getting optical zoom, so you can fine-tune your frame without moving the projector. It throws a massive 200-inch image from just 12 feet away and up to 300 inches from 18 feet. Powered by a pure triple-color laser engine, the image is vibrant, sharp, and rich with detail. And yes, it's 4K and includes a 4K upscaler, so even your older content looks amazing. It's also IMAX enhanced, giving you cinema-level visuals right in your living room. Pair that with surreal 3D sound and deep punching bass, and you're not just watching, you're fully immersed. Whether you're gaming or streaming your favorite series, the C2 Ultra delivers crisp visuals, rich audio, and a seriously premium experience. This is next-level entertainment, and it's all happening at home. This is CaraPod, a compact countertop machine that pulls clean, mineral-rich water straight from the air. It's hydration and caffeination in one smart, sleek device. Whether you live in a tiny apartment or just want to ditch the plastic, CaraPod makes staying refreshed easier and more sustainable. It creates over 200 bottles worth of water every month, without pipes, refills, or deliveries. Just plug it in, and it gets to work. It even doubles as the world's first self-refilling coffee machine. Fresh water and fresh coffee, ready whenever you are. It works with original Nespresso pods, but there's more. Cara's biodegradable pods are made from plant-based materials, brew, compost, and done. No waste, just great taste. You also get some smart design touches, a slim 8-inch profile, magnetic drip tray, silent air intake, and dual nozzles that keep water and coffee separate. The touchscreen is smooth and responsive, with multiple pour settings, and the Wi-Fi keeps your system up to date. Whether you're in a dry climate or a busy home office, CaraPod is made to fit your lifestyle. No more buying bottled water or rushing for coffee. This is hydration reimagined, and your mornings will never be the same. Meet the SwitchBot Hub 3, your new smart home command center that does it all. With Hub 3, you can control all your appliances from one place. Lights, curtains, aircon, you name it. It acts as a matter bridge and supports up to 30 devices, making it future-proof and super flexible. The built-in dial master gives you precise control. Want to dim the lights, tweak the temperature, or turn up the music? Just rotate the dial. It's quick, intuitive, and satisfying to use. But Hub 3 is more than just a control hub. It keeps tabs on your indoor environment too, tracking temperature, humidity, CO2 levels, even door status. It can automatically adjust conditions based on what it senses, so your space is always just right. You also get one-tap control for your favorite routines, built-in clock display, and smart energy-saving features that make your home more efficient. If you're building a smarter, greener, and more seamless living space, this is the one device you'll want at the center of it all. This is the Ego Power Plus Z6, a 42-inch zero-turn electric riding mower, and it's redefining what lawn care looks like. Powered by up to 656-volt ARC lithium batteries, the same ones used across all Ego tools, you get serious performance without gas or noise. It delivers the equivalent of 22 horsepower and cuts up to 2.5 acres on a single charge. Thanks to e-steer technology, it drives like a car and turns like a pro. Ultimate control, smooth turns, no learning curve. You can fine-tune your experience with 3 driving modes, all accessible through a slick LCD display. Whether you're mowing slow and steady or zipping around obstacles, the ride stays comfortable with a built-in hydraulic suspension seat. And when it's time to recharge, the Z6 features the fastest charger in the industry. So downtime is short, and you're back to mowing in no time. If you spend long hours at your desk and find yourself constantly adjusting, stretching, or just dealing with back pain, the SIHOO Doro C300 might be exactly what you need. Let's start with the waterfall-shaped seat cushion. It's designed to reduce pressure on your thighs and improve circulation. Up top, there's a 3D mechanical headrest that adjusts to support your neck, whether you're leaning back or sitting upright. Pair that with the multi-adjustable armrests, and you've got full control over your posture. The real standout is the self-adaptive dynamic lumbar support. It moves with you and adjusts in real time to give your lower back the support it needs without forcing you into a stiff position. The flexible backrest adds a smooth recline, while the premium mesh material keeps things breathable all day long. It's a chair designed not just to sit in, but to work with you. The Doro C300 turns long hours into a much more comfortable experience. Neck pain after a long day? The MOZA Neck Massager with heat might be just what your body's been begging for. This thing is built for real relief, not just a light buzz. It uses centrifugal rotating massage tech to dig into tense muscles, offering a deep tissue massage that actually feels like it's doing something. And with a 270-degree circular heat therapy system, it helps melt away stiffness while boosting blood flow. Weighing only 560 grams and featuring a 180-degree foldable design, it's super portable. Toss it in your bag and take it to work or on a trip. It comes with versatile massage heads and supports multiple massage techniques, including vibration tapping that promotes circulation and even helps support immunity. Inside, a brushless motor delivers power without the noise. In fact, it's ultra quiet, only 38 decibels, so you can relax without distraction. Whether you're dealing with chronic tension or just need a break from your screen, the MOZA Neck Massager brings pro-level relief anytime and anywhere. Ready to dive into robotics and AI development? Meet the HIWONDER Raspberry Pi 5 robot car, a smart, hands-on platform designed to help you build, code, and experiment like a pro. At its core is the Raspberry Pi 5, fully compatible with ROS 2 and programmed in Python, making it a great fit for students, hobbyists, and researchers exploring intelligent robotics. What sets this apart is its modular chassis design. You can swap between Mecanum wheels for omnidirectional movement or an Ackerman steering system for a more car-like experience. This makes it adaptable for a range of projects and environments. Under the hood, you get closed-loop encoder motors, a TOF LiDAR, a 3D depth camera, and high-torque servos, giving you the hardware power to explore real-world robotics challenges. It's built for advanced AI applications, including SLAM mapping, path planning, object tracking, and multi-robot coordination. Plus, with YOLOV5 deep learning, it can even detect road signs and traffic lights for autonomous driving projects. If you're serious about robotics, the HIWONDER robot car is more than a toy. It's your personal AI lab on wheels. Tired of guessing your calories or logging food manually? Meet Qalzy, the world's first AI-powered smart scale that counts calories and macros for you. Just place your food on the scale, and Qalzy's built-in camera identifies the ingredients in real time. It automatically logs everything into the app. No typing, no guessing, no stress. Unlike traditional food trackers that rely on visual estimation, Qalzy measures actual weight and pairs that with AI to give you accurate calorie counts, whether you're prepping a meal or tracking leftovers. It connects via Wi-Fi, so you don't need your phone while cooking. Sticky fingers? No problem. It also syncs with your fitness tracker, making your health data actually work together. Multi-ingredient meals? Qalzy handles them with ease. Fresh or packaged, raw or cooked, it knows what you're eating and how much of it. You can even build recipes, save them, and log just a portion next time. Plus, it works with Alexa. Just say, log 1 boiled egg, and you're good. Calorie tracking doesn't have to be a hassle. With Qalzy, it's finally easy, accurate, and automatic. If you're tired of bulky power banks and slow charging, meet the Sharge ICEMAG 2, a MagSafe power bank built for speed, convenience, and style. With 15-watt Qi, 2 magnetic fast charging, it powers up your iPhone twice as fast as standard Qi chargers. And yes, it works with iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, and even Androids with magnetic cases. The Active Cooling 2.0 system is a game changer. It doesn't cool your phone, but it keeps the power bank running efficiently with a quiet fan and aluminum plate to manage heat while charging. Snap it on and it stays put. Thanks to 2.24 pounds of magnetic force, it locks on securely, even while you're moving. Need fast wired charging? It delivers 30 watts two-way fast charging, which is enough to juice up a MacBook Air or quickly top off your phone. And with its built-in stand, you can scroll, stream, or zoom while charging, hands-free, anytime, anywhere. Don't forget to browse our channel, like and subscribe for more cool tech. Thank you for watching.